Hello, I'm Miranda Beck King, and I am the developmental preschool teacher here at Granville Wells Elementary School. We are located in room 218. How to contact our team? You can reach us on the school line at 765 485 6311. My personal extension is 2418. We also have a instructional assistant this school year. Her name is Miss Kaylee Sheets. We have our occupational therapist, Miss Sarah Threckeld, our physical therapist, Mrs. Emily Anderson, and our speech therapist, Mrs. Whitney McDermott. The developmental preschool runs each morning from 7:35 to 10:45 a.m. Morning car drop-off is at the north door, door number 5, between 7:28 and 7:50. If you drop off after 7:50 a.m., please take your child to the office and they will notify us to come down and get them. Our class dismisses to the north door number 5 between 10:45 and 10:50 a.m. How to report an absence. If your student is sick or if you have a planned absence or need to have them be absent from class, please notify the office by phone before 8:30 a.m. The phone number again is 765 485 6311. You may also notify the bus driver as soon as possible so that they know that they need to make different arrangements for their bus route that morning. Optionally, you can also message Mrs. B on Seesaw to let me know as well. If your student needs medication or medical interventions while they're at school, we have a nurse. Her name is Mrs. Dawson. Her extension is 4111, and her email is located on this slide. If your child is sick, if your preschooler is sick, please keep them at home. If they have a fever over 99, if they're vomiting, diarrhea, excessive coughing, sore throat, headache, sometimes even a super excessive runny nose, they're just not ready to learn and be a good participant here at school. Please wait 24 hours after these symptoms resolve before returning your child to class. Here you can see our daily schedule. Here's our school supply list. More information on busing. If you participate in our bus route, please remember only students and school staff are permitted on the bus. So parents and family members need to stay on the outside of the bus for safety purposes. The bus driver will contact you before school begins to let you know what time they plan to pick your child up and where they plan to do that. Please be ready a few minutes early as the bus route can change because of absences or weather. Please be sure someone is also available at the end of our class time to receive your child from the bus when they arrive home. It's very important that you are available to get them off the bus safely. Also, the bus driver is not available by phone during their route. You can either call the monitor for the bus, you can call the school transportation office, or you could even message me if you have an emergency and need to contact the bus driver while they're en route. If you have any other questions, please reach out. I'm available anytime, especially by Seesaw, email, phone. I'm here to answer your questions, and if you need anything, please reach out. Thanks. Have a good day.